So today I'm going to be unboxing and doing a review of the SumUp Air card machine. So I bought this a couple of days ago and I have tested it out to see whether it actually worked, which it does. So it came in this box. And then inside you can see is the machine, and also in this box, if you pull up this part, underneath you have got the user guide, and then you've also got a little stand and some stickers, and these you can use if you're taking your card machine to events. You can put this up on the table to show that you take card payments. So the machine itself is very simple. What I forgot to say also, that in the box a cable comes with it. If I just get that out, so here is the cable, and this you can just plug into the bottom, and then you can charge your machine up. So it says that this machine can do 500 transactions on one battery life, which is quite good. And if I turn it around, you can see at this end we've got the part where you would put your card into for chip and PIN payments, and it also does contactless, and you can use this for Apple Pay or Android Pay and on most different cards, all of these ones. So if I just switch the machine on, and then it lights up, and when you've bought this, you download the SumUp app on your phone and you set up your account, and then you use Bluetooth to connect your machine to your app on your phone. So now I'm going to show you how to do a card payment. So all I'm doing is going onto my SumUp app, and then I'm going to type in £1. So if I wanted to charge someone £1, I can put a description if I want for what it is that I'm selling, and then I will click £1, and then if I click charge, this now connects to my machine, and you can see it's just come up on the machine there. So then you can either enter your card or you can do contactless. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to cancel that transaction. So to cancel it, all you do is hold the power button. And then following on from this, if you do charge someone and they've paid, on your phone you'll get a message asking whether you'd like to provide the customer with a receipt. So you can either do this through text or through email, or you can also print it, but you would need to buy one of their printers to do this. So that could be one disadvantage, is that the machine itself does not print any receipts from it. So when you buy this machine, it comes with a 1-year warranty, but something that's very good about it is, compared to other machines like the iZettle and the Square, this one only takes 1.69%, I think it is, from every transaction that you do, and so the others are more expensive than that, and it's 1.69% on the contactless payments. It might be, I think it is slightly more for the chip and pin, but if you're only charging for small value items, then you'll be doing quite a lot of contactless anyway, probably. So I like the fact that the percentage that it takes off of your transactions is lower. So another thing with this machine is that you do need to have either a Wi-Fi signal or a data network on your phone in order to use the machine, because it doesn't have anything built in. You can get a different SumUp machine which is more expensive, and that has built-in data network that you can use. What I also like about this machine is that it's only £29, where there's some of the other machines are more expensive. However, I actually got this for £18 because I bought it through a discounted link. Now, because I have bought this machine, I also now have a link which I can give to people in order for them to buy this product for just £18. So I will leave that link in the description box below this video if you would like to purchase one. But I would definitely say that I would recommend this machine, and I cannot wait to try it out soon. So I hope you have enjoyed this review video, and please leave any comments that you have below.